Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your ADP account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.adp.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page of ADP, and since we want to log in, let's click on this login button right now, which we will find at the middle of the screen. Simply click on it. Now it will redirect you to user logins page. For simplicity, I like to click on this all logins button. Now let's scroll down. I want to log into my ADP workforce and I am an employee. Depending upon your task, click on either employee login, administrator, or accountant. Now I'm gonna click employee login as I am an employee. Now simply enter your user ID. You can check on this button to ensure that your ID is remembered. And after your ID has been added, simply click on next, enter your password, and finally click on sign in. In case you forgot your password, click on this button that is forgot password, else you can simply sign in by clicking on this button right now. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you log in to your ADP account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.